If you struggle to believe in yourself, take a walk with me. I want you to know that you're not alone in this. It's easy to doubt your skills and your capabilities. So much so that you'll seek out labels that you can identify with. It's imposter syndrome. I am an imposter. See, there it is. Ha ha ha. And this is just why I am the way I am and why I can't be successful and why I can't do any of the things that I want to do. And of course, there's no shortage of people in this world that will inception you with their insecurities and doubt. After all, misery does love company. I'm in pain and, well, I want you to know how it feels. In other words, hurt people hurt people. I know we like to use that statement, but it's definitely not always true. Some hurt people just become hermits. They might live in a van down by the river with their dog and just leave humanity alone. But if you take a look at it and you try to examine it just a little bit, the doubters doubt because they doubt themselves. It's a subconscious pattern that they've been living out their entire lives, so they don't know anything different. And they don't really challenge the idea that they can do something different until they hit their pain threshold plus one more step. That's usually where we're like, nah, homie, something's got to change. I'm not doing it like this anymore. They truly believe that what they want is only for other people, but the reality is it wouldn't be on your heart to create or co-create something if it wasn't for you. It's a thought in your head and a feeling on your heart for a reason. That hope, dream, goal, wish, or desire that keeps pulling you forward and calling to you. The problem becomes that you don't know how to start, or you started, but then you hit some resistance, so must not be for me, so you stop. This is why it's important to take inventory and celebrate your wins along the way, to sit back and honor the moment and wire in the joy that comes from that experience of accomplishing a goal. It doesn't really matter how small that step is that you took and achieved success from, you want to celebrate that. You got step one done of a 20-step process that's going to take you exactly where you want to go. Good job. Keep going. Another important reminder is that you've already made it through all your toughest moments in life, and you're still here. You're still going. So what makes this tough moment any different? And I get it. I've experienced a lot of tough moments, and you get to this place where you think, I just don't want to do this anymore. I'm not really sure that I have it in me to keep going. I've lost my why. And a lot of those thoughts, feelings, or emotions are rooted in the expectation of how things should be, instead of acknowledging the reality and how things actually are. The world and everything outside of you not doing what you want it to do is not your problem. The way for you to change the world is for you to become who you're capable of being, who you're meant to be, and then that has a ripple effect amongst the people that you hang out with and spend time with. When you allow yourself to become more of you, you give others the permission to do the same thing. And in the meantime, you have to become your own hype person. You have to remind yourself why you started. You have to take the time to remind yourself just how far you've come, and that you didn't get this far just to get this far. Those roadblocks that you have been blessed with, and I do mean blessed with, are meant to slow you down so that you can wire in this moment and truly learn, understand, and comprehend everything that you're going through in this moment. It makes you better, it makes you stronger, it makes you more capable, competent, and confident in who you are moving forward. Then allows you to keep and maintain the success that you're about to achieve. Because if it was just given to you, if you just received it, you may not know what to do with it in the long term. These roadblocks give you the time to create, co-create, collaborate, and bring your vision into life. So if it's not clear yet, it's okay to believe in yourself. It's actually mandatory. You're not only stronger than you think, but you're a lot closer to achieving your goals than you think as well. This is your moment. You just need to keep pushing through and keep telling yourself the truth. If you're ready for some help and accountability, you know where to go.